Hi there, my name is Farhad, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Beye. We are an AI native generative business intelligence platform, purpose-built for business teams at mid-market retailers, distributors, and manufacturers. Our team of AI engineers have been building NLP-focused analytics systems since 2018. We've taken those combined learnings and shared experiences to create a conversation-first platform with an intuitive self-serve design that lets business teams work directly with their enterprise data. BI delivers conversational analytics that harmonizes disparate, unstructured, messy data, bringing into one analytics-powered database and layering a semantic model on top that is context-aware to your business and use case. So you can imagine your KPI definitions that are specific to your business, any business logic, internal language, ways of communicating information are all baked into a fine-tuned workspace purpose-built for you before you log in for the very first time. We've built a proprietary architecture that ensures reliability, because in the business of business intelligence, you cannot afford confidently wrong answers. We also know AI adoption only sticks when the product is reliable, intuitive, and meets the business users where they are. That means deeply understanding workflows and investing in change management and education along the way. So for every use case, we precede that workspace with proactive, high impact insights that are goal oriented and focused on what truly moves the needle for our customers. We're leveling the playing field between the mid market and enterprise. What once was an advantage of scale with resources, with having robust data engineering teams, BI teams, having ETL tooling and BI tooling architected together, is now accessible, affordable, and fast to implement. For our customers, the average time to onboard them is less than 2 weeks for any given use case they bring to us. With BI, you get an end-to-end solution built to reliably deliver high-impact use cases across functional areas like operations, supply chain, and even safety. We make data and insights accessible to business teams, accelerate decision intelligence, and do so in a reliable, cost-effective way. Thank you.